What's up, everybody? It's another day, and I still have some stuff to do in the van today. Hopefully I get it all done. Hi, everybody. It's another day here in Fernwood, Mississippi, over at this haunted mansion. One of the things I have to complete today is 2 more window covers for the side windows. And after I do that, I'm gonna try to get some other stuff done. I'm thinking about the ceilings, to do some insulation on the top first, and then maybe I'll do the plywood on there. But we're coming short on the days of summer, so I need to start traveling probably in a couple days or so, so some of this stuff won't get done in time, but I know in a couple days I'll have my battery, so that'll be good enough to do some other stuff in there. And maybe I'll just stop at a Home Depot once in a while and put some more stuff into the van. But today we're gonna see what we can get done. So these were the window covers I made yesterday. Ignore the duct tape, that was from another project. But basically it's just glued onto the front with some Super 77. And the other one looks like this, but on the opposite way, you could see. Yeah, they're very basic right now, but it worked. Last night I couldn't see in, and I couldn't see out, which is good. When you can't see out, you feel nice and secure. You don't worry about people walking around your van and stuff like that. And people seeing in, again, I don't want them to see my body laying in a supine kind of position where I might be vulnerable. Either way, today I'm going to do the 2 side windows right there. And after I do the side windows, then I might consider all the insulation stuff I need to do, because I got a roll of insulation and nothing but time on my hands today. The only problem is I can already feel the sun coming up behind me right now. I don't know if you could see it. I don't know where it is. That's the sun for me right now. But I feel the sun coming up, and it's gonna get hot and hot and hot. So I'm quite concerned about it being really hot out here. Anyway, let's get on to the window covers. I pulled out this side window cover because apparently it got wet last night. We did have torrential rains here yesterday, so I understand my window was leaking, and that's another thing I have to do today. Now, if I fix the window cover so that it fits really well inside that window, then I could actually remove the window, because one of the things I do have to worry about is bugs getting in here while I have the window out. So that's one of the concerns that I have. The other concern is having this window cover dry, because the fact that it got wet, I don't want mold to start growing on my window cover and then have to replace that. So I'm just driving down to the truck stop right now. I need to pick up some cigarettes. I don't think I'm gonna drink today. I'm kind of tired. This heat really knocking me out today. The real feel was about 99 degrees, I believe. And then it started melting. Well, not really melting, but softening my window covers. So I realized I need my battery right now so I could run my stupid fantastic fan. That's one wish I have. Now, the battery is up in Memphis, Tennessee right now. It doesn't even say that it's going to be shipped tomorrow, even though that's 4.5 hours away. So maybe the day after tomorrow. And then I'm off to Memphis myself. And I'm going to go see IKEA. I'm going to spend the night maybe in Memphis. Maybe I'll drive a little further. Depends on what truck stop I see. And then, hell, I'm going to be ending up north. I'm going to go all the way to New Jersey. I'm going to surprise my mother. I don't think my mother sees my videos, so I think it'll be a real surprise. But I think right now I'm going to end the video right here. If you like my video, please press that thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, please do. Subscribe. You'll see some interesting stuff here. And if you hit that bell, you'll have notifications whenever I get a new video out or something that interests you. And if you leave a comment, I respond to my comments. I also really laugh at those comments sometimes. They're hysterical. Thank you for watching.